Today we will be making the Harlow swimsuit. Let's start with our pattern pieces. We have 2 fronts, 2 backs, 2 strap ruffles, 2 straps, 2 optional snap pockets, 2 leg bands, and 2 leg band ruffles. Begin by taking your strap ruffles and we're going to gather them along the straight edge. So here I'm just clipping along the straight edge, and that's where I'll add my gathers. Once that's complete, the next step is we will clip the gathered ruffle onto your straps with the right sides together. Fold in half, right sides together over your ruffle, and then we're going to clip and sew along the long edge only. Once you've sewn, we're going to go ahead and turn our straps right sides out. Next, we're grabbing our front main piece and we're going to line our straps up with the shoulders. And we want to make sure that the ruffles are facing the outer edge. Now we're taking the front liner and we're going to place it on top of the main front. And then we're going to make sure that our right sides are together. And then you can go ahead and clip and sew along the arm side, the shoulder, and the neck. Once you have it clipped all the way around, go ahead and sew, and you want to make sure that you don't get your ruffles in your seams. Once it's sewn, flip it right sides out, and we're going to lay it with the main with right sides up, and then we're going to grab our back liner, and we're going to place that right sides up behind the top and the front main. Here I'm just crossing the straps over, and I'm going to clip them in place. Now I'm placing the back main on the top with the right sides together. I'm going to go ahead and clip to make sure everything stays in place and then sew. Now I'm opening the front and the back so that both mains are right sides together and both linings are right sides together. And then I'm going to clip and sew. After you've sewn, go ahead and fold it right sides out. Next, we're going to gather both leg ruffles along the straight edge. Once you have that completed, you'll take the leg ruffle and you'll place it with right sides together around the leg opening. Now fold your leg band in half lengthwise with the wrong sides together, and then we're going to clip around the leg opening on the top of the ruffle, and then we'll sew the raw edges together, and we're going to repeat the same step on the other side. Once you have those clipped down, you can go ahead and sew. And our next step is we're going to take both of our snap plackets. We're going to fold them in half lengthwise with the right sides together, and then we're going to clip and sew both short ends. Once you have those clipped and sewn, we're going to fold them right sides out. Now we're going to attach the snap placket by putting the raw edges together, and then go ahead and clip and sew that on. Now once that's sewn, go ahead and flip the snap placket down so the seam is inside of the swimsuit, and then we're going to make holes where we want our snaps to be. Once your snaps are on, you have completed your Harlow swimsuit. Thank you for watching this video. We would love to see your creations on Retro Sparkle Designs Facebook page.